Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in today's video, I'll teach you how to write a professional email response to a customer complaint using ChatGPT. Handling complaints with care is essential to maintaining good customer relationship. Let's get started. When responding to customer complaints, it's important to acknowledge the issue promptly and show empathy. ChatGPT can help you create or draft a polite, clear, and solution-focused email that addresses the customer's concerns effectively. First, open ChatGPT and log into the chat box. Type a prompt such as, write a professional email response to a customer complaint about a delay order, offering an apology and a solution. Be sure to include details about the complaint and your desired tone: apologetic, helpful, or reassuring. ChatGPT will generate a well-structured response that thanks the customer for their feedback, acknowledges the problem, offers an apology, and proposes steps to resolve the issue. You can customize this email by adding specific information like refund details or compensation offers. Using ChatGPT helps you respond quickly and professionally, turning a negative experience into a positive one and strengthening your customer trust. And that's that, guys. Just make sure to follow the steps provided in this video and you will come up with great drafts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.